really appreciate because they've been always there for us, for SM.
They are the ones who are in charge of our compliance every day. Dumaraan po ito sa isang proseso to make sure na ang ating mga produkto ay dumarating sa mga tindahan na safe. Safe ang pinaka-importante, at quality assured.
It's really been a very productive day. Productive, there's a lot of learnings, and hopefully you bring it to your stores. Thank you to Northstar, and thank you also everyone for being very, very attentive.
Thank you, Ma'am May. Iiwan ko po na mensahe, ang pinaka-importante po para sa akin ay sana yung collaboration ng Northstar sa kanang SM Supermarket. Bonus po kami, SM Bonus. Dala po namin yung pangalan nyo. Yun po ang pride and joy namin. Kami po ay nabubuhay, namumuhay dahil sa tiwala nyo sa amin. So nagpapasalamat po kami. Thank you.